Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a note on your Pinterest board. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon, then open the board for which you want to add a note. Next, you can find a notes icon. Tap on it and then select create your first note option. Create a note, and once you're done, tap on the done button. And that's it. This is how you can create a note for a board on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.